I just harvested some massive leeks from the garden and I knew I had to turn them into something extra delicious. One of my all-time favorite pairings is leeks and potatoes, so I whipped up a flavorful side dish, creamy leeks and potatoes. It's simple, cozy, and packed with that sweet, mellow leek flavor I can't get enough of. Let me show you how to make it. Check out the description to find the full ingredients and directions for this dish. To start, wash all of the veggies. Then cut the leaves and green portion of the stems off the leeks and slice them into nice round pieces. Peel and slice a large onion. Wash and dice the potatoes. You can peel the skin off if you prefer. I don't mind, so I left it on. Add the potatoes to a pot of boiling water and cook until they are cooked through and fork tender. Once done, pour the potatoes into a strainer and set aside. In a large skillet or saucepan, melt some butter over medium heat. Once melted, add garlic, leeks, and onions with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir and cook until softened. Then add dried onion powder. Continue to cook on medium-low heat until everything is softened and starts to caramelize, indicated by a golden brown color. Now it's time to make the sauce. Next, add some heavy cream and mix. To thicken the sauce, add some cornstarch dissolved in a little bit of cold water. Mix everything very well so the sauce doesn't clump up. Add a little more cornstarch dissolved in water if the sauce is not creamy enough. Then taste test a little bit of the sauce to make sure it has good flavor. I decided to add more salt and black pepper. Finally, it's time to add the potatoes. Stir the potatoes with the leek and onion sauce, and then it's ready to serve. Since I had a lot of chives growing in my garden, I sprinkled a generous amount over this dish. Leeks, onions, and chives are all part of the allium or onion family, so this dish was full of flavor. And there you have it, creamy leeks and potatoes that are hearty, wholesome, and so easy to make. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more garden to table recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd serve this dish with. Enjoy!